Welcome back to economics learning. Today I will discuss need for Islamic economic. Today I will discuss need for Islamic economic. Islamic economics arises from the principles of Sharia, the moral and legal code of Islam which govern various aspects of life, including economics. Here are some key aspects that drive the need for Islamic economics. The need for Islamic economics stem from various factors including alignment with Islamic principles. Alignment with Islamic principles, Islamic economics is rooted in the principles of Sharia which govern all aspects of Muslims' life, including economic activities. For devout Muslims, adhering to Islamic economic principles is essential for living in accordance with their faith. Ethical framework. Ethical framework Islamic economics emphasizes ethical consideration in economic activities. It prohibits practices such as interest-based transaction, riba, gambling, and speculation gharar, which are considered harmful to society. This ethical framework fosters trust, fairness, and social responsibility in economics dealing. Third one is redistribution of wealth. Redistribution of wealth Islamic economics advocates for the equitable distribution of wealth and resources. Concepts such as zakat, obligatory alms, and sadaqah, voluntary charity, are integral part of Islamic finance aiming to alleviate poverty and reduce income inequality. Fourth one is stability and sustainability. Islamic economics promotes economic stability and sustainability by discouraging excessive debt and speculative practice. Transactions in Islamic finance are typically assets backed and involve risk sharing, which helps prevent financial crises and promotes long term economic growth. Fifth one is social justice. Social justice Islamic economics prioritizes social justice and the well-being of society. Economic policies are designed by to address poverty, unemployment, and other social issues, ensuring that the benefit of economic growth are shared by all members of the community. Next one is business ethics. Islamic economics emphasizes ethical conduct in business dealings, including honesty, transparency, and accountability. These principles contribute to the development of the trustworthy and ethical businesses environment, which is crucial for sustainable economic development. Seventh is cultural relevance. Cultural relevance in many Muslim majority countries and communities, there is a cultural preference for Islamic finance and economics due to its alignment with Islamic value and principle. This cultural relevance drives the demand for Islamic financial products and services. Last one is global market demand. Global market demand Islamic finance has gained popularity behind Muslim majority countries with increasing demand for Sharia compliant financial products and services in non-Muslim countries as well. This global market demand contributes to the growth and development of Islamic economics as field of study and practice. Overall, the need for Islamic economics arises from its ability to provide an alternative economic system that is compatible with Islamic principles, promotes ethical conduct, fosters social justice, and contributes to economic stability and sustainability. Thank you.